Our Lord often quotes the Psalms and says they testify about Him, confirming Himself as Israel's coming Messiah. Let's consider how the Psalter's arrangement contributes to the Psalm's rich picture of Christ. How do we hear Christ speaking as He identifies with sinners? Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Hensley, a professor at Concordia Seminary. If this topic interests you, I invite you to our upcoming Lay Bible Institute workshop, The Book of Psalms and the Christ, which I will lead from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday, August 3rd on the seminary campus. Registration is $20. The deadline to register is July 22nd. I look forward to seeing you this August when we'll dig into the Psalms together, see our Lord proclaimed there, and hear His voice in them as He leads His people in prayer, praise, and thanksgiving to the Father.